have so that it can be held in, you know, single person installation where you don't need someone else to hold it and you can install it yourself. So now to wire it, basically I'm first wiring the black wire. Just basically I'm just turning it around, winding it around this. So that it holds. Yeah, that should be good. And then I just hold it in place while I put in the wire nut. And then just turn the wire nut. Make sure that the wires are held in place, and then turn the wire nut. There, that seems tight enough for the black wire. That's the heart. Yeah, it seems nice and tight. Yep. That's the black wire, and it goes inside. Next, let's do the white wire. I'm pushing it in the wire nut now that I wired it. And this is the white wire. This is a little trickier because it's sort of shorter, but I'm going to pull it out as much as I can, and then I'm going to wire it in the same way. And I'm going to pull it out as much as I can. There, and then I twist it, turn it around also, just so that it holds. So I want to make sure this is wound around so that it's stronger and it holds together better. And then turn it around like this, put in the wire nut, and just keep turning clockwise. Yeah, this seems nice and tight. Yeah, so this is also done, and I push this inside a little bit into the electrical box, and finally the ground wire, the bare copper wire is the ground. Okay, so now wire the ground, and then this should be done. Ideally, actually, the ground should first go around the screw, and then, so let's put it around the screw. Yep, it's around the screw, and then we'll have to tighten it with a screwdriver. So let's get the screwdriver. That's the screwdriver.